Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix the camera failed issue on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just go to your home screen and open settings. Then tap on apps, and from this app list, just open the camera app. And from here, just tap on storage. Then tap on clear data and select delete. After that, just go back and tap on permissions. And from here, just make sure you give the camera app all the necessary permissions, like the permission to the camera, to the microphone, and to the photos and the videos. After that, just go back. And in the main settings page, just tap on software update. Then tap on download and install. And from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your Samsung phone. Now, if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, then go back. And in the main settings page, just tap on General Management. Then tap on Reset. And from this menu, just select Reset All Settings. Tap on Reset Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN. And tap on Continue. Then tap on Reset. Now, this option will not delete any data on your Samsung phone. It will only reset all the settings of your Samsung phone. Now just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with the camera on your Samsung phone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the camera failed issue on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.